Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add text on CapCut. Okay, so first and foremost, come and tap on your CapCut. So this is my CapCut. I'll tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on your CapCut, you wait for it to load. Okay, so I'll quickly come to a new project over here. Okay, this one which is in the sky blue. Okay, I'll tap on this plus icon. So when you tap on the plus icon, you need to choose a video you want to edit. Okay, so let's assume I want to edit this video here, this one. So after selecting it, I'll tap on add. Okay, so after tapping on add, I'll wait for it to load. So it has finished loading, as you can see. This is our video. What I'll do here, let me first reduce the volume of this video so it doesn't interrupt our recording. Okay, so this is our video. If I want to add text into this video, all I need to do is just simple. The text option is the third option here. Okay, so you tap on that option and you come to add text. Okay, so you come to add text. All right, so here you'll be given space to type in what you want to add in. Okay, so I'll type in what I want to add in. Okay, so after typing in what I want to add in, I can even change the styles. I'll put in this style which is in black and white, or I'll put in this one which is in red. So after changing the style you want, you can come and tap on this tick here. Okay, so after tapping on the tick, you can adjust it to any position you want. So you can put it here. Okay, so after that, what I want to do is to come and tap on this text here. Okay, it's on the drop down arrow here. Okay, it's below the video. Okay, on the timeline. So I'll tap on it and I will simply scroll this side so that it can fit the video. Okay, so I'll scroll to the end of the video so that the text won't go away till the video is done. So I can play it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm playing and the text is there. Okay, so that's how to add a text in your video using CapCut. Okay, please, if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and we shall meet in the next video.